Hi everyone, I am S. Prakash, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. My topic is Memorandum of Association. The Memorandum of Association, it's created when a group individuals band together to accomplish a common goals. This is normally for a commercial reason. Companies that typically created to benefit from their operations, a business must be incorporated by the applying with the register of a companies. It is called as the ROC. The submission must be accompanied by the variety of papers. The MOU, full from Memorandum of Association, is one of the most important papers that must be presented with the incorporation applications. So, what is a MOA? The MOA full form, Memorandum of Association, is a legal document that explains why the organization was founded. It establishes the company's authority and the terms under which it works. It is a manual that includes all of a company laws and regulations for interaction with the outside world. Any business must have a memorandum of association that specifies the extent of its activities. The organization cannot work outside the limits of the document until it has been prepared. If the corporation goes beyond its authority, the activity would be deemed superfluous and therefore null. It is an cornerstone with the business is built. The Memorandum of Association lays out the company's entire organization. The Memorandum of Association is open of the media. Those all the expected of an individual who wishes to enter into contracts with the corporation is to pay the required fees to the register of companies and receive the Memorandum of Association. He learn all of the company's information from the Memorandum of Association. It is a responsibility of everyone who does business with a firm to be aware of its memorandum. MOU format. The first one is a memorandum of may take any the forms of mentioned a table A, B, C, D and E of Schedule 1 under Section 4 of the Companies Act. Because of the various types of businesses, the table are various types. Table A, it applies to a corporation with the share capital. Table B, it applies to a limited by guarantee corporation that does not have a share capital. Table C, it applies to a company with a share capital that is protected by a guarantee. Table D, it can be used by any unrestricted corporation that does not have a share capital. Table E, it can be used by any unrestricted company with a share capital. The company memorandum should be typed, counted and broken down at the chapters. It can also signed by the company's outcomes. So, the objectives of registering MOA. The Memorandum of Association is a necessary document that includes a company, the crucial information, Section C of the Act status. The company can be formed when the following members subscribe to the memorandum. 7 or more members in case of a public company, 2 or more members in the case of private company, only 1 member in case of the one person company. So it is very important before the registering the corporation of the company. The involved parties may the first agree to the memorandum. As a result, Memorandum of Association is required for a company registration according to section 7 of the Act. Companies Memorandum of Association and Articles of Association must be properly signed by the subscribers and registered with the registrar to be incorporated. In addition to this, memorandum contains other things. There are the following. It helps shareholders to learn more about the business before purchasing stock. This aids shareholders in the determining how much money they can put into the venture. It informs all partners that interested collaboration in the same way. So, the Memorandum of Association drafted and is signed, subscribed by the in all type of segments. So, the MOA and the MOU, it's very important to the any agreements. Thank you.